Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is the first video of 2020. I haven't been on making videos very much recently because I've been busy doing other things, and what with Christmas and New Year, it's been pretty damn busy in my household. So, well, anyway, what have I been up to? Well, since the last video, I've been trialling out these heated grips, and I'm pleased to say for £5.89 they're an absolute bargain. For me, they've worked really well for the last, I'd say about 2 months. 2 months since I last installed them. They've worked every time I've used them, and yeah, there's not been any issue at all. They're perfectly warm enough for what I need. The thing I didn't mention actually was I've actually changed a few things. When I fitted the heated grips, I originally used the power source as my phone charger. Unfortunately, the USB that I connected to it wasn't allowing enough power to come through, so the handlebar grips weren't getting hot. Since then, I've stripped that out and I've hardwired it directly to the battery. As long as I remember to turn it off after I've been using them, it's absolutely fine. Alright, anyways, yeah, so these heated grips are actually really good for what they are, and they often get a little bit too warm. I can feel the heat now through my gloves, and they've been on for probably roughly about 10 minutes or so. And yeah, it does get a little bit too hot occasionally, so kind of got to switch them off. Definitely worth getting one if you're thinking about getting some really budget priced heated grips. The other thing, of course, is these hanged guards that I've got on. They're cheap ones from Amazon, and yeah, they work pretty well to keep the majority of the wind off, although I must admit they are a little bit on the small side. So there are some other ones that fit into the end of the bars, rather like my mirrors here, but unfortunately, because I've got the mirrors in there, I can't use that style of mounting point. So kind of limited to the cable ties and leaving them on that way. It doesn't look too great, but they're not going to be on there forever, so it's literally just through the winter period, and then when spring comes I'll be taking them off. So I've actually got 2 projects on the go at the moment. One's sort of a sideline project, if you like. I haven't really touched it for very long, but it's a Honda Lead, I believe it is. It's a 2-stroke 100cc scooter. It's not for me, but yeah, it came to me not running, and I had to clean out the carb. And there's various things wrong with it, but for, I think it was £100, it was pretty much a bargain. I'm sure we can fix it. You see, I'm removing the side panel to the drive belt. I've replaced the drive belt. Cleaned that all out, and it runs and it goes, but there is a further issue, and I believe that's down to the clutch springs, because you have to rev it quite a lot before the wheel starts moving. Taking it around the estate once or twice, but I wouldn't trust it further than that at the moment, so there's still a few issues to sort out and a little bit of work to do. So I'm out on a bike today, primarily just going to meet the missus for lunch, so we're going to go down to the usual haunt for me in the springtime. It's our local bike night, and that's down at the Paddock pub. It's usually pretty packed in here actually. I think on quite a number of my other videos you might have seen, we've had some pretty busy nights, so if you're interested and you're in the area, go and have a look at my earlier videos. Right, yeah, that was a lovely dinner. Yeah, it was nice to spend some time with the missus. handguards are still on there, they're not going anywhere, and yeah, the cable ties are holding, so it's a good temporary option anyway. So yeah, on my way home now, so I've still got the Honda scooter to do, and it's still going. I'm just waiting now to get the historic MOT, and then I'll be on the road with that. It's pretty busy today. Stopping on a roundabout for idiot. If you like this video, if you want to see some more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Ride safe.